Hello and welcome back to another Acrobat video. In this we're going to be looking at this button here, which is the Add 3D Object button. So to get 3D objects, Acrobat only takes one particular file type, which is called U3D. Now when you go to a website such as this website here, kenny.nl, you basically download a bunch of stuff, and normally you get your file types as FBX or OBJ. It's basically nothing that Acrobat can accept. So what you basically have to do is, I'm using this program here called MeshLab. And what I've done is I've basically converted it from FBX. I converted it to something called X3D file type, and then I've converted that again to the U3D file type. You can't just go from FBX to U3D. For some reason, you have to go through X3D. There's obviously certain things that I'm missing here with the textures and some of the options, but just to make it simple, as long as you have to go through that process from FBX to X3D to U3D. Once you've got it to U3D, then we can actually use this button here. What we can do is we can draw our box, and basically you've got a bunch of different options here, like a lot of options that you can change here. And what I'm going to do anyway is just choose this file that we've got, the U3D file. So like I said, it's the only one that works, and we press OK. So here you can see we've basically got our 3D object in here, and it says click to activate. So once you click to activate, you can see we've now got a 3D object in Adobe Acrobat, which is pretty cool, right? And if we want to move the box or change the size of the box, again, we have to use this button here, which is the object selection. And that will let us move the box and obviously change the size of the box as well. If we want to see that menu option, you have to go back to your regular selection tool, and then you can see the box again. What do we actually have here? Rotate, spin, pan, so you can pan it round, zoom. So pretty cool that you can actually do these sorts of things, right, directly in Acrobat. Fly. We've got some measuring tools. Manage views as well. So you can see all the different stuff we could do with views. Also got this where you can basically see all the different meshes, and then you can add your views here. You can see display. So you can see we've got some properties of the shape here. Also got all these different things. Shaded illustration. You can also change the background color here as well, which is cool. Enable a cross section as well. So basically you can see that there's like a bunch of different options for 3D objects. But yeah, the key is obviously to make sure you've got that file type set correctly. So thanks for watching.